Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your sliding gate smooth. First, carefully examine the entire gate track for any dirt, leaves, or small stones that might be blocking its path. Next, take a close look at the rollers and wheels. They should move freely without sticking. Finally, confirm that your gate is sitting correctly and evenly on its track, which is crucial for smooth operation. Once you've inspected everything, it's time to clean. Use a stiff brush or even a leaf blower to clear the track completely. Then, apply a high-quality silicone-based lubricant directly to the rollers and along the entire length of the track. Remember to wipe off any extra lubricant to avoid attracting more dirt and debris over time. Now, let's make some adjustments. Check all bolts and screws on the gate hardware and tighten any that are loose to prevent wobbling. If your gate has adjustable rollers, fine-tune their height to ensure the gate glides effortlessly. For any rollers or guides that are cracked or severely worn, replacing them will make a huge difference in performance. To keep your gate running smoothly, regular maintenance is key. Aim to clean and lubricate the track and rollers every 3 to 6 months, depending on usage and environment. Also, conduct a thorough inspection of the entire system at least once a year to catch potential issues early. Keeping the surrounding area clear of plants helps too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.